Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 24th of December 2013. You're watching the daily chart. Let's back into the weekly chart. The situation at the moment seems a little bit more, we have a new horizon up in front of us. It seems like the first signals of this potential new uptrend it comes to us, and one of those messages was last night when we saw the price reaching the previous daily highs, and it managed to go and reach $725. That was the new highs on yesterday's market, and that was one of the first signs that we're waiting for that to happen. This is the weekly chart. Look at what's happening with the 3-day chart. The next target for this particular candlestick is to try to reach 774.47. That could be the one that it can show us that this particular lower high in the daily chart will fail, and then the next target for the price could be 838. That will be just a point of reaction, but ideally the price should intend to reach, or should try to reach, 990, which is this particular area where the price is located. But we'll see. Obviously eventually this might take a little bit of time, but we need to keep an eye on it on every step of the way. And back into what it concerns us today, the 4-hour chart is showing us that after a very long consolidation, everybody experienced it with us, we saw maximums and minimums relatively equal. The currency managed to reach push the price up with the new long range candlestick. It managed to erase or deny these 3 previous candlesticks. This downtrend, it was erased by this particular one, and then this consolidation brought us a new higher low, and then you all see right now we are over 700. The currency is trying to reach and build a new higher low in order to reach once again new highs, and this particular target could be the one that it can be reached by the price anytime soon, 774.47. After that we can definitely potentially see the price going towards the SMA 200, but it might take a little bit of more time. The volume hasn't been with us in the last few days, but it's something that we have to pay attention and take into consideration to take advantage of the market. And this is the 60-minute chart. The downtrend of the SMA 200 might change anytime soon. What we can see now is that after we reach the SMA and we managed to break up, now the currency is trying to build a new consolidation at this point. It might get a new higher low, and eventually we'll see this particular pattern trying to reach new highs, that it will help us to bring more confidence into our previous hypothesis, which is this particular time frames will end up pushing the price high enough to see a completely different uptrend instead of a lower high. This is for the 3-day chart, and obviously the daily chart, everybody sees that, and it might give us the opportunity that we're all expecting for the last few sessions. This is basically what's happening at the moment, so keep an eye on these potential situations on the 60-minute chart, and we might see new patterns being built between the 60-minute chart and the 240-minute chart. So at the moment this is what we have. And last but not least, today, before one day before Christmas, we want to wish you all a merry Christmas and a wonderful time with family and friends. Thank you very much for watching, and follow us on our Twitter and also on our live signal. Once again, we're wishing you all the best and have a great time and happy holidays. See you around. Goodbye.